Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook T-bone on a gas grill. First, pat your T-bone steak dry with paper towels to ensure a good sear. Season it generously with coarse salt and fresh black pepper on both sides, pressing the seasonings gently into the meat. Let the steak sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, but no more than 1 hour before grilling. This step allows for more even cooking and helps achieve that delicious, tender result we all desire. Next, set up your gas grill for 2-zone cooking, one side on high heat and the other on low or off. Preheat the high heat side to approximately 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with the lid closed for 10 to 15 minutes. Once hot, place your seasoned T-bone directly over the high heat. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until a beautiful, dark brown crust forms, creating incredible flavor and texture. This initial searing locks in the juices. After searing, carefully move the T-bone to the cooler, indirect heat side of your grill. Close the lid and continue cooking, flipping the steak every 4 to 5 minutes, until it reaches your desired internal temperature. Use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part, avoiding the bone. For medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, removing it slightly before to allow for carryover cooking. Finally, and this step is crucial, transfer your cooked T-bone to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Tent it loosely with foil. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Slice the steak against the grain into thick, succulent pieces. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes and savor the perfectly grilled, tender T-bone you've just prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.